Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you begin the assembly of the trim kit, refer to the installation manual for a list of recommended tools you may need. To install the trim, the recessed wall space will need to be 74.5 inches high, 62 1/8 inches wide, and 26.5 inches deep. Your first step is to assemble the trim's top grille. Join the 7 individual sections by sliding each through the groove of the section above it. The section with the notched ends should be at the bottom. Next, install the top trim mount by sliding it onto the grill section at the top. Align the left side rail on the top grill assembly. Use a countersunk Phillips-head screw to secure the rail by threading it through the pre-drilled hole and into the groove of the top grill section. Repeat to secure the right side rail to the grill assembly. Before you align the trim assembly on the wall, we recommend using cardboard or blankets to protect the floor. Position the trim assembly on the floor directly in front of the recessed wall opening. Have an assistant help to lift the assembly up and align it above and on each side of the wall opening. Use tape to temporarily hold the assembly in place. Check to see if the top grill is level, using shims to level it if necessary. Now mark the 7 trim assembly hole locations around the opening. Remove the tape and lower the trim assembly back to the floor. Using a 1/8 inch diameter drill bit, drill the 7 holes where marked. Realign the trim assembly and use tape to help secure it. Thread a panhead Phillips screw through the center hole of the grill. Do not completely tighten the screw. Now thread and tighten the screws to secure the left and right sides of the grille. Completely tighten all 3 screws. Next, thread and tighten the screws to secure the left and right trim rails. Position the refrigerator and freezer in front of the recessed wall space. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the screws, securing the base grille on both appliances. Remove the grills. Have an assistant help to tip the refrigerator back so you can support the front of the appliance. Use a 3/8-inch socket to unthread the 3 screws, securing the roller and brake feet brackets to the refrigerator frame. With the appliance supported, thread the leveling legs into the holes on the underside of the refrigerator until the feet are flush with the base. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Repeat this procedure to remove the roller and brake feet brackets on the freezer and to install the leveling legs. Next, determine if both appliances are level from side to side and front to back. If necessary, you can rotate 1 or more leveling legs clockwise to raise the appliance, or counterclockwise to lower the appliance. Repeat as needed until both appliances are level and at the same height. Attach a foam spacer to the center of the rear panel on both the refrigerator and the freezer. This will ensure that both appliances will be positioned the correct distance from the wall. Slide the first appliance into the recessed space far enough to plug the power cord into the electrical outlet. Do the same for the second appliance. It is recommended that the refrigerator and freezer be powered through separate circuits. Confirm that the refrigerator and freezer are in line with each other. Use a flathead screwdriver to help remove the 2 rear hole plugs near the front corners of both the refrigerator and the freezer. Align the top plate across the 2 appliances and thread all 4 panhead torque screws loosely. Push the refrigerator and freezer partway into the recessed wall space, allowing access to the top plate. Confirm the appliances are still level, then tighten the screws securing the plate. With the screws tightened, push the appliances fully into place. Next, align the 4 clips on the bottom grille assembly with the edge of the rounded openings on the appliance's lower frames, and snap the grille into place. Complete the trim kit installation by placing the magnetic gap filler between the refrigerator and freezer, making sure the gap filler is flush with the tops of both cabinets. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.